Big news for Venezuelan nationals. TPS extended until 2026. The Department of Homeland Security has announced an 18-month extension for temporary protected status or TPS for Venezuelans, pushing the new expiration date to October 2nd, 2026. This extension reflects the severe humanitarian crisis in Venezuela, driven by political and economic turmoil under the Maduro regime, making it unsafe for individuals to return. This decision affects approximately 607,000 current TPS beneficiaries who must re-register between January 17, 2025 and September 10, 2025 to maintain their status and employment authorization. Failure to re-register during this period could result in the loss of these protections. For those renewing employment authorization documents or EADs, DHS is automatically extending the validity for certain EADs until April 2nd, 2026. This applies to EADs with expiration dates of September 10th, 2025, April 2nd, 2025, March 10th, 2024, or September 9th, 2022. This ensures beneficiaries can continue working legally while their applications are processed. For those with pending TPS or EAD applications as of January 17, 2025, there is no need to reapply. USCIS will process these applications under the new extension and issue updated documents valid through October 2nd, 2026. It's important to note that this extension applies only to individuals already in the US under TPS. DHS has reiterated its stance on irregular migration, warning that dangerous journeys often lead to tragic outcomes and that US immigration laws will be strictly enforced. For more updates on critical immigration news, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Immigration and Jobs Talk Show. Stay informed and stay safe.